Hello guys, welcome back to Zik the Programming Guide channel. My name is Beatrice and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix Facebook Lite. Preparing, please wait. Just as you can see on my screen, many people have been facing this issue recently, and you can see you just see this kind of pop-up and say preparing, please wait. You can continue to use Facebook while we prepare your message. This is like kind of like a bug or a fix. So the first thing you just have to do, make sure your Facebook is actually up to date, so you just have to check it. That's the first step we have to take. There are a lot of steps I'm going to show you how to do to fix that. So you just click on update. As you can see, mine is not updated, so I'm going to update that right there. So what are we going to do? The next step, you have to go to your phone settings, right? Go to apps right here, search for Facebook. It's not loading up. Facebook. Okay, because actually, I think Google's is actually okay. Let's check for Lite. Lite right there. Search for that and click on it. So what you need to do, click on storage and clear that cache right there, and you can also clear the data. You can also clear the data as well. You understand? So after doing that, you can now reset your phone. You have to reset your phone. So I'm going to reset my phone. After resetting your phone, you can now go to your Facebook and it's going to open up. If this guide was helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.